and welcome to today's video. I'm here to instruct you how to clean / maintenance your Bissell PowerForce compacts. You're going to need a box cutter, preferably a safety one if available, a sink with running water, a little bit of dish detergent, and a nearby trash receptacle. The first step is going to be to empty your container. This is very straightforward. You just want to hold the button right here, snap it, and pull off. To dump it, you're just going to push that button in and shake it vigorously. Step 2 is going to be to take apart this canister here. You're going to do so by lifting up on this part, and you're going to take out the guts. The filter right here. And this would also be the time where you would clean out if you had anything in this compartment. This would be preferable if you could do this in any steps that involves the razor blade and cutting hair outside or on a porch where you can easily sweep it away. I'm just kind of working with what's available. Take the box cutter and very lightly just go along like that and pull off what you can. Ta-da! All done. Now time for the next. Alright, now I'm going to take my filter. I'm going to use some water in my sink here. Add just a little bit of my palm olive and start to wash it. After you've rinsed all the dirt and soap suds from the filter, you can put it on the side of your sink and let it dry for a couple of days, or you can do what I'm going to do. I happen to live in an area that's very hot outside right now, so I'm just going to go put this on my front porch, and it should be dry in a couple hours. What we're going to do is going to make some cuts and try to get the hair off of here. Be very careful. Please keep in mind this vacuum is only 2 or 3 months old, so there's not very much on it. If you haven't done this in a while, this is probably going to be completely covered in hair, so be prepared for that. Keeping my hand out of the way, I'm just dragging this along the hair. And just pull the hair off and put it in your trash can. Alright, once this is done, you just stand it up like always. The next step is to reassemble your unit. Alright, we are back after a couple hours of having this out in the sun, and I'm going to show you how to reassemble it. I want to snap that into place. I'll go ahead and take this and this. I'm going to put this white side inside. Now this has to be flush to this. So I'm going to take it and you're going to snap it. And you're just going to try to line it up where it's supposed to be. If it don't snap, you don't have it lined up right. So we're going to try again and try to get it lined up on the inside. There we go. You can also line it up with this piece right here. As you can see, it's lined up. And you're just going to snap it. Easy as can be. Now you're just going to put it back where it belongs. I just want to thank you for watching today's video. Please stay tuned for more like this. Remember to smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and please, continue watching the videos. Bye, y'all.